Hello everyone!
Hello everyone!
Today is our video about a trip with our cute bird Chico. Let's go! If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and like them. So, we go! We are going to the Dadizele. It's a very nice city. Now we are driving in here. And our cutie with us. Yes. Kissing. Chico is kissing everybody. So, we are everyone here. And we are going. Chico is happy, kissing tonight, and we go everyone to Dadizele. It's a very nice state. We will show you the beauty of this state. We are driving now in Jedem. It's not far from Dadizele. Chico says hello. Hello. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hello everyone. He feels very good in the car. We are going on. We are going on. We are not far from Dadizele. The weather is not so sunny today, and it's normal for Belgium, but it's warm and our hearts are warm. Yes, Mary? Yes. We enter now the city. It's Dadizele, small city, not far from Jedem, where we live. And we will show the beauty. Chico is on the car, he is waiting us, and we are going.
Now let's go!
Let's go buy presents for our birds. Chico waits us in the car, yes, Narek? We are going to the favorite shop of our birds. So, it's because lockdown time, we are all with our masks. And we are in front of the shop. Now we will enter. It's a very nice day. The people are happy. And we go to make happy our birds also. So, now we are in the shop.
There are a lot of things.
You can find here, yes, a lot of different things for the fish, for all the animals. We will go to find out a little bit food for our birds. And then some presents for them. Here can you see different things? All of this you see are for birds. Before we have for our birds the plastic food pots, but they are breaked, all of them. So we buy metallic that they cannot break them. We will buy for our big birds, for Alexandrian parrots, something very hard, something like this. They like it. This time I will choose orange color. Please help me, Narek.
Yes.
Thank you. So we will buy this one and something interesting. Here you can see the different food, some food for birds, and I have choose for my birds this one. It is with different tastes, and we choose also for our birds stone with calcium. Now Narek has with everything. He helps. We choose these foods with different tastes. Stone with calcium. This one is for Alexandrians, and the other one is for Tico and Mika. So let's go to pay.
Yes.
And show them to our cuties. They will be very happy. We are going to see how is Tico, how is feeling there in a car. Hey!
Hello.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Narek, go! Be careful! of Belgium.